The US is resuming nuclear weapons testing after 33 years. But why now? Let's dive into history. It all began in 1945 when the US tested a 20-kiloton atomic bomb at Alamogordo, followed by the devastating attacks on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The world was not the same after the attack. Just 4 years later, the Soviet Union detonated its first bomb, shocking the West and ignited the nuclear arms race. In 1945 and 1996, more than 2,000 nuclear tests shook the planet, led by the United States and the Soviet Union, followed by France, the United Kingdom, China, Pakistan, North Korea. But then testing stopped. Why? By 1996, a comprehensive nuclear test went treaty when nuclear explosions almost everywhere, driven by rising health risks, massive environmental damage, and Cold War tensions. But not every country ratified it. Why is the US restarting nuclear testing now? Nuclear tests are conducted to gather technical data or to signal military strength. In 2020, the Trump administration considered resuming tests, which Russia and China viewed as a show of US power. Trump's recent announcement that the US would resume testing, Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered officials to draft plans for a potential nuclear test, the first since the Soviet Union collapsed in 1991. This move underscores rising tensions between the world's two largest nuclear powers. And here is the current nuclear arsenal snapshot. The nuclear countdown has begun. Are we heading toward a new global arms race?